This is Echo. What's your name?
Echo.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
You want to hurry? Hurry. All right, we're going to sing, okay? Old
McDonald had a farm.
Very good.
That bird has talent.
What do we have there? Did you see a chicken? A chicken. His favorite animals, a kitty. A kitty. And you do a chihuahua. Chihuahua. Beautiful. Can you cry? And everybody thinks you're pretty funny. Warm up. You ready? La. I love that one. Give everyone a big kiss. Big kiss.